Hi guys, Mike here, and in this video we're taking a quick look at the Acer Aspire R11, a recently announced 2-in-1 with a very affordable starting price of only $249. It will be available in stores around the world in July. Some compromises had to be made in order to reach this kind of pricing though. Among those, worth mentioning are the laptop's bulky construction and the overall poor screen. This thing will sell in blue or white, and it will be entirely made out of plastic. Despite that, the build quality is quite good, at least based on a first look, and the yoga-like hinges are sturdy and offer a smooth transition between the several different use modes. The machine does weigh close to 3.5 pounds though, which is hefty for an 11-incher. That aside, the Aspire R11 gets an 11.6-inch touchscreen, but only relies on an HD resolution and a TN panel, which translates in poor contrast, colors, and especially viewing angles. If we're considering the price though, and we really have to with this device, these two aspects could be sacrifices worth making, especially since the laptop doesn't have any other major lags from what I can tell right now. Hardware-wise, it's going to be powered by Intel Pentium and Celeron Braswell platforms, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 1TB hard drives. This should allow for a buttery everyday experience as long as you stick to daily tasks and don't try to run anything very demanding. The keyboard is plasticky but firm for a cheap laptop computer, while the trackpad is spacious and responsive. The I/O is decent as well, with USB 2.0 and 3.0 slots, an SD card reader, as well as HDMI output. An Ethernet port is also available in case you'll ever need to use wired internet, otherwise the laptop does offer Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Last but not least, Acer put a decently sized battery on this little thing, which should translate in 5 to 6 hours of daily use. Bottom point, while there are still plenty of questions unanswered at this point, we can conclude that the Acer Aspire R11 is going to be an interesting 2-in-1 laptop for those of you on a very tight budget. It will also make for a great laptop for kids. There's no doubt you can get better machines if you're willing to spend more, as this one is made out of plastic, large and heavy, plus offers a mediocre screen. But none are actually selling for under $300, at least none of the Windows running machines. I'm holding the final judgment for a detailed review that will be available somewhere in the near future. In the meantime, keep an eye on the channel and our website and get in touch if you have any questions about this device. Catch you later.